Go.
Did you know? Ito yung trivia, no? Basahin ko lang din sa inyo. A long time ago, there was a couple named Primitivo Lim and his wife, Derian Lim, who went to the falls to take a bath. The path going to the falls was so difficult. They need first to cross a footbridge made of coconut wood. When Primitivo passed through the bridge, he outbalanced himself. Luckily, he did not fall down, but her teeth were removed and fell down into the water. Since then, they named the falls as Tak-Tak Falls, which means something that was removed and fell down. Eventually, it was discovered by the town mayor, Honorable Herminio Itan, in 1986. So, dun po tinawag yung Tak-Tak Falls. Something na na-remove, siguro nakapostisyo si Primitivo. So, yun na yun. Naging nataktak ang ngipin. Nataktak ang ngipin niya. So, swerte si Primitivo kasi hindi siya nalaglag. Yung ipin lang niya dahil nga nabigla or nagulat. So, na-outbalance. So, yun lang yun. Di ba? Alam mo na.